Today, I get down over 2x my previous largest single day loss since I started trading this new strategy on SPY. You're going to see the live trades. I take a lot of them. I only show you the ones that are the most exciting. You're going to get to see me drop a lot of money, but then I continue taking trades after that. So make sure you stick around, see how the day ended up. At the end, plug them into TraderView, real money equity curve, look at the stats from the day, all that fun stuff. Hit like if you're excited, enjoy the transparency, hit the red subscribe button if you want to continue to follow along as I post these every day. With that being said, let's get into the action. We are using new variables this morning. We did implement new variables into the first hour of the day. Once again, if you guys watched my April recap, yep, this is a short, I was just making sure. We are short at 412.37, but if you guys watched my April recap video that I posted this weekend, you will see that the other strategy, it's still the same strategy, it's just different variables, but the other variables did not work very well in the morning. I was not a very profitable trader in the first, just specifically the first hour of the day. We were obviously able to pull it back in the afternoons, which is good, but I'm using now new variables for the first hour of the day. Once again, using the code, we proved that this is more profitable. It's really just shorter. So instead of looking for the low and the high of 8 bars back, we're now looking for the low and the high of like 3 bars back instead. Because that first hour is way more volatile. Obviously, that's when you're getting the most volume, you're getting the craziest volatility. So proven now, it's looking... It's more profitable to look for shorter price action time frames, if that makes sense. And this trade is kind of chopping. We were green, now we're red. It's kind of chopping around on us. The cover condition is below the blue line. Back to green, chopping around on us here. Wow, just okay. Very a lot of indecision here out of the market so far. Here we go. Is it going to start breaking down in our direction? Ooh. 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 The blue line is right here. Oh, it turns red if I hover over it. What? I didn't know that. Okay. Another thing, we're also going to stop taking half. We talked about this on the April recap video too, but I could see that my profitability, profit per trade, is lower than the back testing, and that's because I'm taking half too early. So this is a cover candle, and it closes... I know we don't worry about one trade, but that was a perfect example, right? Instead of taking half here at 412, I waited. I got to take all out at 411.60. Nice. First trade of the day, we're up 67 bucks. Okay, we're about to enter the short here. Yep, we are short here at, where did we get short? 410.68. We are short. I pushed into a little bit immediately, but once again, I do not mind shorting this pop. Once again, what am I doing? Putting myself in the right, well, first things, what am I doing? Just copying my strategy. That's it. But at the end of the day, what are we doing? Putting ourselves in the right situation to make money, right? SPY is super weak. We're shorting a bounce. See what happens. See what happens. Yeah, we never got a chance to long. You're like, well, Trey, it was dipping. You never wanted to buy the low? No. The RSI, if the RSI is under 40, we don't buy, right? That's our systems. By the way, we're really getting squeezed into here. Ouch. But that's our system's protection. That's why we didn't get long on this dip. We would have gotten crushed. But wow. Hello, SPY. All right. It's volatile this morning. We know that much. Jeez Louise. We are immediately down $120 in this trade. Okay. Fun. What did I say? Keep putting yourself in the right situation to make money. It doesn't mean, guess what? Oh my God, Trey's shorting a rip. He's going to make money. It doesn't mean you're always going to make money, right? It's Fed week after all. Is it? Do we get a FOMC this week? Wednesday or Thursday? That'll be interesting. That'll be interesting to trade too. Double bottom? Sure. Yeah, here. I mean, very, very small double bottom. But I mean, it obviously did double bottom now. Wow. Well, this is the fastest I've ever been down $200. This is very, very, very big rip. We don't get stopped out until this bottom RSI gets over 60. This bottom RSI is our short stop loss. Obviously, SPY was so weak that RSI was way down. It is now at 52, but okay. Well, that's the fastest we've ever lost 200 bucks. Well, we haven't lost. You don't lose until you sell, right, chat? Capitulations for SPY here. It's craziness. It's definitely craziness, but trade the system. Takes all the worry out of it, right? Wait, I'm gonna practice this. Hold on. As I'm reading your all's chat messages, I want to be putting them on stream too. Putting them so that YouTube can see them. Capitulations for SPY here. Volatility. Do you drink too much coffee? What, am I too hyper this morning? Think I'm too hyper this morning? I'm in a really good mood this morning, I am. I was in a better mood when I was up. But it's okay. Once again, if I trade the system, if I do what I'm supposed to, it's fine. We are also, funnily enough, still... Well, now we're not. Now we're not looking for profit. Actually, yes, we are. Yes, we are. We're still looking at the low of this bar to cover. I doubt that's going to happen. But, you know, still waiting for it to come back in our direction. Look, now we're only down 100 bucks in this trade, only. But SPY is volatile as heck this morning. Look at this. I mean, obviously, huge weakness. We made nice money on the first short. Short the next pop. Huge rip. But now look at this. Look at this death candle. Death candle. SPY is all over the shop this morning. There's 25 seconds left in this candle. Kramer is buying Meta. Get out. The inverse Kramer strikes again. Everybody be warned of Facebook, Meta, whatever you call it. Ooh, this is actually close to becoming a cover candle. There's only 4 seconds left. So now the next candle is a cover. Wherever this candle closes, we're out. Once again, not taking half at all. We proved in our journaling that trading half or exiting half was holding us back over the long run. And that doesn't mean... Somebody was talking to me about this on my recap video. Look, I know that sometimes exiting half is profitable, right? Of course it is. But the trading is, and what this whole conversation is trading is statistics. Trading is data. You've got to trade what makes you money over the long run, right? You also, unfortunately, don't get a chance while you're in the trade to know, oh man, if I would have covered half here, I would have made more money. Unfortunately, I don't have a time machine. I don't get to know that, so I have to listen to the data. I have to listen to the statistics. That's the only choice you have, because none of us have time machines. How much longer? Oh, 4 seconds, okay. Getting ready to cover. Unfortunately, we are getting pushed into a bit. We are covered here. Okay, that was about $100 loss there. Oh, shoot, we did long. Sorry. I did not think that was going to drop down. It caught a big tick in the last second. Okay, we are long here. Sorry, I did not expect that to break down. I wasn't really looking exactly. I think we got a little bit of a better entrance than the algo did anyway. Or the system did anyway. Are continuing to get dumped into slightly here. We will get stopped out if this RSI breaks below 40. Oh, we will see. Wow, we're down 60 bucks immediately. Yo, SPY is so volatile this morning. Unfortunately, we've only caught the right side of the volatility once, but you keep putting yourself in the right situation, eventually you'll start catching the right sides. You're going to have large P&L throw around days like this, though, when SPY is this freaking volatile. Wow, we might get stopped out immediately. Looks like we're going to. What a candle. Yo, SPY is obscene this morning. Hello? We are stopped out. Yep, we are long here at 414.55. Ooh, the sell condition is going way up, too. Sell condition is this green line. It's the high of 8 bars back. I think it's currently looking back here. We're also buying this at RSI at 60. So if SPY decides it's time to roll over again, like it's been freaking doing all morning, we're going to lose a bunch of money. But we don't care. We're not going to start scared trading, right? Still trade the system like we're supposed to. Yeah, I still don't know why I didn't take that short. I mean, I took it and made 27 bucks on accident because I thought the system was about to take that. That's why you see this trade here and not here. But anyway, who cares? Long now. Is it not a buy candle? No, this, when it didn't short, no, it wasn't a buy candle. This is a buy candle. Obviously it longed, and obviously for obvious reasons we're getting dumped into. At least it'll make a good YouTube video, chat. I'm throwing for content. That's what I'm doing. lose money for the content. Joking, obviously, but hey, we're back to green in this trade. Oh, we're back to red in this trade. Okay, never mind. It tried for a second. And yep, all the way back down. Cool spot. We're back down to less than $300, more than $300. We're not down $300, put it that way. Yay, better. Alrighty, we're up 25 bucks, but the sell condition is still way up here. That would be great if we could get some kind of rip like that. That would really help the morning, quite obviously. The title is going to be The Comeback Kid. If I get to green today, I'm going to transpose my face onto Karate Kid, and that's going to be my thumbnail, okay? The Comeback Kid. The odds are obviously against us to get back to green, seeing as we're down $300. Can we make $300 this afternoon? Odds are against us. We'll see. We'll see. Once again, I've seen the algorithm come back from worse. Seen the system come back from worse. Until I wasn't. Call an ambulance, but not for me. I'm going to use that meme. That's a good meme. Call the ambulance, but not for me. That's what I might go with instead if I make it to green today. I like that one. Oh, gosh. Come on, Spy. You owe me some money this morning. Give it back to me. Wait. We're up 35 bucks. Sell condition is still way up here. Still way up here for our sell. Not selling too early, not taking half. Yes, Dean, I guess I could do that, yes. I don't know why I would do that, but I could do that, yeah. Could do anything. That wouldn't get me banned. How to make an alert sound each time an order is triggered? You mean like with the code? There is just Google alert ThinkScript, and you'll get the help. You'll get the like code documentation for their alerts. You can make sounds go off every time your strategy takes a trade. I think I would find that annoying. because it's the only thing I trade. I only trade this system. I'm always looking at it anyway. I don't really need the sound alerts, but that is a thing. Yes, alerts are a thing. Alrighty, trying to push up for us a little bit. We're up over 40 bucks there for a second. Once again, sell condition still up here. Ooh, up 50 bucks. Still not selling though. 30 seconds left in this candle. Come on, Spy. Why don't you give me one of these rocket ship candles? You look at these rocket ships back here. Can I get one of those? We're up 88 bucks, and this is a sell. Did that break? I really can't tell. I think this might be a sell candle. I'm going to have to wait. I'm going to have to wait till it closes to see. Think this might be a sell candle? No, it's not. Wow, it didn't break. Oh, it's going to be so frustrating if it rolls now. That would be so frustrating. Can we go break the green line, please? Please don't roll. Don't touch it again. Don't you dare. Wait, did it break that time? Oh, I swear, if it touches it twice and then rolls over, I'm going to freak out. As that just touched it again. I don't think it broke. I'm pretty certain that didn't break again. I'm going to freak out. 20 seconds left in this bar. If it holds here, the next bar is a sell bar anyway. So it'll open above the green line, so. Just don't roll the next 15 seconds. We'll be getting out. And market makers having fun watching your stream? Nah. Throwing around billions of dollars in SPY just to fuck with my couple $100. Yeah. What a jack. What, fuck me, dude. This is a sell candle, but we were up $88 and now we're up 20. And we're gonna... And we're going red. We're going red. Oh, this morning. I don't really, I mean, whatever. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do, but it's just, it doesn't make it not frustrating. You knew it was going to happen too. I mean, I called it. As soon as it touched that and didn't break and touched that and didn't break, I said it's going to roll over. We're down $34 now. Call the ambulance again. Bring the ambulance back in. Shit, I need it. Wait. Oh my God. SPY this morning, man. Just catch a little bit of the volatility. Literally, if that would have gone up 1 more cent, I would have made like $100. Well, I would have made like $90 in that trade. Like 1 cent. Literally 1 cent away from making $90, and instead we're losing 40. Or 1 penny. I lost $50 in that trade. 1 penny just cost me 100 and... What's 90 minus 50? 140? 1 penny just cost me $140. And there's no reason... Okay, this is about to be a long. Yep. There's no reason not to trust the system, right? You have to trust the data. You have to trust the statistics. That's what data and statistics are. Doesn't mean that sometimes they're not going to work out like this, but you have to keep trusting them. We are long at 414.18. Damn Redbox W is the, well, if Redbox is running, its warrants will be running, of course. Is Redbox still running? Oh, it just tried to bounce again. Yeah, Redbox trying to make a move. Frickin' Redbox. Redbox is up like 600% from lows. What the hell? Renting physical DVDs is in, chat. I heard that was the next big market breaker, is renting physical DVDs. You see, I've got this crazy idea. You drive to a gas station and pick up a DVD. Can't we just like do that from our house, man? No. Market just didn't react as the algo predicted. I mean, I don't know if I would call it game of prediction, right? It's game of playing price action in statistically proven manners, right? SPY is just not moving according to its traditional price action today. That's why we're getting crushed. I mean, look at frickin' SPY. I mean, look at SPY the last like month and a half. It's been ridiculous. But look at it today, especially. Look at this shit. Straight down, straight up, straight down, way the fuck up. Now what? Now we're gonna roll over again? Like, it's all over the shop. No, I mean, it's not. As a price action trader, it's not that surprising that we're not having a good day, right? Yeah, I know. Redbox came out with streaming, but they did it way too late. And they does Redbox make any kind of original content? God, could you imagine even trying to watch Redbox original content? It's got to be awful. Welcome to the Redbox original movie. And we're down $60 in this trade. This is fun. It's like how much money can Trey lose today? I think it's a fun watch. We should make this a game show. How much money can Trey lose in a day? Let's go find out. Are we going to see 400s down? We've never seen 400. This is the most we've ever been down. This is the most we've ever been down. So now every down tick is now the new largest red ever. Isn't that fun, chat? YouTube title. Yep. SPY it's just time for SPY to roll over now. SPY SPY is prehistoric. Redbox is the future. Be right back. Writing algorithm on Redbox. I mean, we'd be up 75 bucks, and this is only a $9 stock. We could take 40x the shares. What's 40 times 70? What's that, like almost $3,000 we'd be up today trading Redbox? Damn, bro. Should have traded Redbox, of course. That's it. I'm out. No more trading SPY. We're using the algorithm on Redbox. I wonder what your win rate is today. Probably awful. You'll see it in the YouTube video at closing bell. When we talked about this, well, I just made a video about my April recap. My worst win percentage day in April was 47%. And that was the only day we had below 50% win rate. I would imagine, I think we've won like 2 trades today. I'm pretty certain we've won 2 trades, maybe 3. Maybe 3 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We've won like maybe 3, maybe 4 out of 12. That's statistics, right? It's like a 60% or 65% win rate is awesome. You still lose 35% of the time. It's not that improbable to string together a couple of 35% win rate opportunities, right? A couple of 35% statistical options. It's not that improbable to string a handful of those together. Yeah. I mean, I'm not trusting it. Oh, we're down 400. I mean, it's not exciting, but we've never seen that number before. Nice. A new $100 that we get to see. Nice. And all the profits from April are gone, by the way. Isn't trading fun, chat? Isn't trading fun? We're about to get stopped out. Well, actually, no. We're really close to getting stopped out here. Breaking records. What's the clickbaity? What's the semi-clickbaity YouTube title today, chat? Oh, not quite stopped out yet. Sell condition is this green line up here, but I mean, I entered this trade. It's done nothing but go down. It hasn't had a single green tick since I've entered this trade. It's just straight down because that's what every trade I've taken has done today. Yes, it's frustrating, but I know I'm still trading my system like I'm supposed to. At least, like, I know I'm not just, like, running around taking emotional, crappy setup trades, right? I'm still taking the right trades. It's just frustrating. It's just not working. If I keep taking the right trades, though, it is what it is. Yep, all of April's profits were gone. I made, after fees, what did I say in the video? I was up over 500 in April, but after fees, it was like 460 or something. We just about give them all up there, but we're not out of this trade yet, and the day's not over yet. Mindset, trading is not a joke. Need to focus on going green versus red being a new record. Oh, calm the fuck down. Jesus Christ. Trading's not a joke, man. Stop joking about being red. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to sit here and be fucking miserable? I'm still taking the right trades. I'm just red. What would you rather me do? Sit here and just be pissed? Like, it's not a joke, man. Stop joking about being red. This is serious. Like, I need to focus on getting green. I am focused on getting green. I'm still taking the trades. They're just not working. Nothing I can do. I can't make the fucking... I'll start focusing harder. Sorry. Let me start focusing harder. That'll make the trades go green. If I just focus a little bit harder. What do you look? I'm still here taking the fucking trades. And what do you want? What else can I do? Almost feel like that mindset is the exact wrong way to think. Like, what would you rather me do? Start not trading the system? Start not trading my profitable system because I got to try to get back to green? Like, that's exactly what you're not supposed to do. Do not get red and emotional and start not trading your system. That is how you blow accounts. That's exactly how you blow accounts. Can you explain why the last trade was the right trade? Because it's provenly profitable over time. Because it's statistically proven. This strategy is statistically proven to be profitable over time. That's why. It doesn't mean it makes money every trade. Quite fucking obviously. But you're never, ever, 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 ever going to find something that makes money every trade. You're not. I'm sorry. Hate to tell you. It's not a thing. It doesn't exist. Okay, about to get stopped out of this trade. I know, Sabami. Well, it's in Sabami. That's why I get so preachy, because that's the beginner mentality I'm trying to help fix, trying to help curb, right? Yeah, like my chat and like the theme, like the sentiment of this chat is so different whether I'm green or red, and I'm not doing anything. I'm trading the same system. But that's the beginner mentality. That is why beginners lose money. Well, one of the reasons why beginners lose money. Because they're like, oh my God, you're red, dude. That was a fucking terrible trade. I can't believe you would have done that. Trey, you need to focus on getting green. Whatever the fuck that meant. Like, what? Like, what? It's almost a sell candle. This was threatening to stop us out, and now it's threatening to get us out. Well, not green, but threatening to get us out over the profit line. Well, over the sell line, I should say, not the profit line. You did say the algo has rough days? Oh, of course. Okay. Didn't get us over the sell, now falling back down. I need to pay attention to this. Where's the RSI? RSI's at 43. 20 seconds left. Sorry, I was reading something. Okay. Literally, dude, look at this. Oh, you want to get out of this trade? Nope. Okay. You want to go down 450 on the day. That's what you want. Okay, 7 seconds we get stopped out. I'm sorry, chat. I didn't focus hard enough. Damn, dude. If only I focused a little bit harder, that might have been a green trade. Alrighty, nice pop for us to short as well. Okay, we are short here at 412.28. We are short SPY. Nice pop. All right, you're downtrending and you're popping up. Can this be the time you finally don't just fly after a big downtrend? Can we stay in trend for a second and allow my system to make a little bit of money? Oh, hold on, I gotta focus. Sorry. Focus on being green. Being red isn't a joke, streamer. You gotta focus. Okay. I'm really focused on this trade this time, chat. We should be green this time. I really focused. We were up 30 bucks immediately, but the cover condition is all the way down here, this blue line. If you just manifest your trade, you should be okay. I won't joke about being red this trade, and I'll focus on being green. Hey, if it works, maybe that guy was right. And watch this is the trade I make $100 in. Like, oh, wait a second. maybe I should be I am up $86. Well, I take everything back to that guy I was making fun of. I don't remember who said it. The guy I was making fun of earlier for asking me to focus. I take it all back. Obviously, it's working. You know way more than I do. I'm sorry. Still, oh, don't do that freaking thing again where you touch the exit. Okay, this is a cover candle. This is a cover candle. In 30 seconds, we're up $100. I want to cover half so bad, but like, told myself not to. I told myself I wasn't going to. This is hard to be up $100 and not take some. Now, let's see. Let's see if in the next 15 seconds, what happens. Can we get a bigger breakdown? We're up an extra $10 now. Looks like it might close right around here. Yeah, I'm sorry. Whoever told me to focus earlier, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're right. I focused. And that's my best trade of the day. Thank you. 6 seconds. We are shorting SPY on this rip once again. Buying low, selling high. Shorting highs. We are short at 411.60. Continue putting yourself in the right situation. It's not working so well for us so far today, but continue to trust the system. Focus. Wait, focus. Focus on this trade being green. Hold on. I got to focus harder. Okay. I'm going to make focus an emote so chat can all focus with me. We're up 20 bucks. Gosh, SPY is volatile today. It's 11:37 and SPY is still like $20 ticks for us, like 20-cent ticks. Like, it's crazy. Look at the Discord DM. What did you send me, sir? What the what is that? You like morphed my face. I can't even see it. What is that? You like morphed my face. I don't know what's going on in that picture. I'm uncomfortable. Buys and tries complete. Let's fucking go. Ooh, I like arm day. I like arm day while I'm in the gym. The pump is awesome. But then you get home and you feel so small. Because it's like the pump in the gym makes you feel big, and you get home and your pump goes away, and it's like, oh, now I feel small. Way, come on down, markets. Our cover condition is all the way down here below this blue line. Whoop. Wait. We're actually only down $300 right now. Like, I know that's still not great, but we were down, what, 460? Call an ambulance, but not for me. Is that still alive, chat? The focusing strategy has been working very well for us. Focus. Focus. Come on, let's get the... Ooh, let's cover this at 410. Come on down here. Come on down here, shall we, SPY? Keep putting yourself in the right situation. Keep trusting your proven edge. Just because you're down money doesn't mean it's time to stop trading your edge. Look at this, $130 trade. We're not even at an exit condition yet. The cover condition was so low in this. What's our largest winner? I think our largest winner ever is roughly 150 bucks. Can this one get there? Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Oh, I just jinxed it. Oh, I'm losing money in this trade now. It's about to rip in my face. Oh, this is a cover candle now. Is it? Yes, it did break that low. Wherever this closes, we're covering. Very, very nice. 10 seconds left. Can we get a little breakdown in 10 seconds? Make this our biggest win ever? Biggest single trade win ever? Not quite, huh? Not quite. Still a really, really nice trade. $130 win there. Just like that, we're down $228 on the day. Last 4 trades, we've made 240 bucks. Alrighty, so that wraps up the live recorded trades. You actually got 2 hours of live recorded trades today. Why the video is a little bit longer. I decided to stay live over on Twitch a little bit longer today since SPY was obviously insane and the trades we're taking were insane. I figured I'd stay live a little bit longer, but we are down $214 today. I think I might have taken one trade that you didn't see. Maybe you guys didn't see this last one, little win here, something like that. But we are down $214 today. Obviously, not such a great day, but considering we were down about 460, a pretty darn good comeback. And we came back $250 from how bad it was. I mean, it was just a really, really, really tough day out there. Let's turn off the trades for a second, just to look at the chart. I mean, SPY, as a price action trader, SPY starts to pick up this extremely volatile, look at the last 2 days even, just extremely volatile, not really choppiness, just kind of straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, up, down, up, down. Like, it's very, very hard to trade, especially using a price action system. Let's go ahead and bring over the trader view now. As you can see, last 2 days haven't been all too great. I did tell you all that on Friday I would take some more trades, and I did. I actually ended up getting down like 220 or something on Friday too, and made a lot of that back. But last 2 days have not been so good. This is now our new max drawdown of the system. We are down about $380 in the last 2 days. Something like that, yeah, and that's about our maximum drawdown of the system so far. But we know, once again, via back testing, we know drawdowns happen. We're willing to accept the drawdowns. We size in appropriately so that when we hit the max drawdowns, when we catch kind of drawdowns like this, we're comfortable with it and we can afford it, right? That's where the bankroll management section comes in. It's another reason why back testing is so important, so that you can properly manage your bankroll. Win percentage today was 47%, so actually not all that bad by the end of the day. As far as a win percentage go, I believe that just about matches our worst win percentage in April. Well, our worst win percentage in April was 47.37, so slightly higher, but let's go ahead and flip over to the detailed now, if it would like to load. Did we set any new? I don't think so. No, we did not set a new largest loss, and we did not set a new max consecutive losses. I really thought today that we might set one of those. We got really close to setting this new largest gain, actually, funnily enough. As bad as the trading day ended up, we did take about a $130 winner for one of our trades today, so that was pretty close. But here's the detailed. Once again, I don't deep dive on these every day, but I do at the end of the month, as you just saw on the April video. Let's go and look at the journal before we end too, just so you can see the craziness that was. Yay! Okay, we're making a little bit of money. We were using some slightly different variables out of the open. It's like, yay! Okay, first trade decent, just destroyed. Oh, this actually, I don't think we ever printed sub 500, did we? I'm gonna have to go watch back right around 10:45 in the video. Did we ever break below 500? I think the scaling might be slightly off. I think we were down like 470, 480-ish at worst. Anyway, this scaling might be slightly off, but we did obviously bounce back up, a decent little bounce back up to make this, actually, I also didn't talk about this, not even our worst day ever, which is, considering where we were, to get back to not even being our worst day ever is pretty good. Our worst day ever still sits at $218. Obviously, today was $214, but that's the video today. Hopefully, you guys do enjoy the transparency. It's not as fun to make these videos when I have to sit here and talk about losing money. I don't mind it too much because once again, I know it's part of the strategy and I know this was going to happen. I know things like this are going to happen over time via backtesting. But obviously, it's not as fun to sit here talking about losing money on the internet in front of, I don't know, however many people will watch this. It's a lot more fun to talk about making money. But hopefully, you guys appreciate the transparency. I still put the videos out there. Still want to show you guys everything. It's part of the system. It's part of developing a back-tested, proven system is things like this. So it's worth still putting out there on the internet for you all to watch. So hopefully, you enjoy it. Hopefully, you enjoyed the video. Continue to enjoy these live trade recaps you get every day here on this channel. If you do, please, just take the half second, hit the like button. Really means a lot. If you're new around here, hit that red subscribe button. It's free. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I will catch you all in the next one.